Hello everyone. I am Akanksha Agarwala. I am working with Austin Blaze, Nicholas Wong, Rajat Nagafkar, and Suryadeep Nalana for our Capstone project where we will be developing a web application called Squander. For our agenda today, we will be discussing about the project description, the technologies we are going to use, the market analysis we have done. Then we will be going through the personas, the project timelines, and end with our retrospective. Now let's talk about project description. Squander is an application that allows users to manage waste by analyzing images to classify waste type and plan waste management. The goal of this project is to make it easier to recycle waste after any event or project. Presenting next is Rajat.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajat Nagakar and I will be talking about market analysis. Uh, there are various apps in the market that do waste measurement and recycling. One of them app is Recycle Nation. Recycle Nation is a mobile and web application. It uses our user can locate recycling centers on the map by entering the product they want to recycle according to their zip code they enter, uh, so that a list of places will appear where the recycling is done. By this, user can schedule pickup, drop-off location, and join for a curbside program to recycle the product. All this become time consuming if the waste is much more to recycle. Another type of the app is What Goes Where app. What Goes Where app is also a mobile and web application. It guides user for curbside programs and drop-off location to maximize recycling. It also has a game that teaches people to recycle waste. Another type of the app is a WVM app. It is also a web and mobile application. It allows to schedule pickup service for the residential as well as business programs. It has special feature of a prior scheduling. Mm. All these apps lack the feature of image processing and image recognition. Mm, our app, that is a Squander app, overcomes all these defects, and it uses image recognition technology to detect waste from image and notify your and allows user to categorize the um, waste that can be recycled, and also notifies user to schedule the pickup to recycle particular type of waste. uh, it has also advantage of that a particular user can keep the track of what amount of waste he is producing, and how he is contributing to the environment by recycling the waste. Thank you.
Hi everyone, so we will be discussing personas right now. And personas are the people who are directly impacted by the application, who would gain something from the development of the application or by the implementation of the application. So, first we have Simon. Simon is a manager at this trade based company, and what he is interested in about is improving the profit of the company, and for that he had to have an efficient system that could segregate the waste and allow it to be categorized so that he could uh, promise a promise a better rate for recyclable waste, and he could also reduce the amount that he spends on non-recyclable items. Also, those items that's going to be disposed, and there is a particular charge that he has to pay for disposing that amount of waste. So having a proper segregation tool would allow, I'm sorry, having a proper efficient system to analyze the segregation tool would allow him to have a better confidence um, on rating how much percentage of waste that he would be generating for the company, and allow him to plan the disposable activities, and also allow him to know what things are working in his company and what process are not working in his company. For the second, we have Jill. Jill is a philanthropist and he's a very rich businessman. And what he is concerned about is how the waste management is directly impacting the environment. He has he has a lot of funding for the project and would like to improve the systems that segregates the waste, and he would like to have a analyzing tool through which he could analyze how each system is working and to provide the right amount of funding for each system. And for the third, we have Mark. Mark is an engineer who works directly with the team and directly with the tools. So, what he is concerned about is generating a good quality segregation system, and he wants an analytical tool for understanding how good his system is working. He is also planning to automate the system, and this analytical tool would help him immensely in understanding how good his automation systems are working, and when the from from the hands-on segregation to the automated segregation. So yeah, those are the three personas we are envisioning could use the tool to better the work. Okay, thank you. How do
I'll be talking about our sprint schedule. Looking at previous groups, we chose to go with a similar timeline. In Sprint 1, we chose our topic and researched the potential impact our project can have on waste management. We also created team infrastructure with team roles and meetup times. Lastly, we created a home for our project with a GitHub repository. Moving on to Sprint 2, we'll be getting into the more specialized research, looking into existing models, looking for more training data, and researching different kinds of waste with their appropriate collection services. Pretty much most of our data pre-processing will be done in Sprint 2. Next is Sprint 3. In Sprint 3, we'll be drafting our technical paper and starting to work on the more technical aspects of our project. We'll be training and evaluating our machine learning model, and then we'll be incorporating the model into our application. Lastly, in our final sprint, we'll be looking to finish our technical paper and wrap up the technical aspects of our projects, meaning we'll have our development application finished and we'll finish our project demo. And by the end of sprint 4, we'll have our MVP, minimum viable product, to show to the class.
Retrospective. Looking back, we have learned that we did well with collecting useful information that gave many insights to do in the project. Also, we felt we did well in knowing our goals and agendas before we met. And there are some things we need to improve at, which is having a consistent meeting time that makes us better to coordinating parallel workflows and share the developments in the team. And other improvements needed is to work on more ways to gather the information and work effectively towards building the project. Our steps for future is to keep track of various tasks and completing them through sprints that we scheduled. Conclusion. Thank you.